In a bold move, Trump's envoy, Kellogg, has promised that a complete ceasefire across land, sea, air, and infrastructure could pave the way to end Europe's most significant and longest war since World War II. Trump, who initially hesitated and even threatened to stop arms deliveries to Ukraine, now seems to be shifting his stance, growing closer to the embattled country and distancing himself from Putin's Kremlin. Germany's new Chancellor, Friedrich Merz, echoed this sentiment, stating that Trump is clearly losing patience with Putin. This follows a revealing report from the Wall Street Journal, where Trump admitted that Putin's attitude was the primary barrier to a peace deal. On May 11, Putin rejected the ceasefire proposal but offered to restart talks from the 2022 Istanbul discussions, with negotiations set to resume after May 15. Ukrainian President Zelensky has agreed to personally travel to Turkey this Thursday for these crucial talks. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump is expected to join in Turkey, likely to apply pressure on Putin, whose presence at the summit is now uncertain according to political experts.